Hello guys, I am back with another video with 99 reviews. This video will definitely help you to get free logos for your business or for your brand. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Just go to the Google search bar and search here for the website logo.com. Enter your business name or your brand name on the website and click on make a logo. You can also add your business slogan. I does not need it, so I can skip. Next, it will ask you for your industry. As I am making a logo for my YouTube channel, so I write it a YouTube channel. Select your color theme. I will go with grey. Next, select a font style. There are many styles like modern, handwritten, elegant. I will go with bold. Select a logo type with icons or without icons. Add keywords for your logo. It will show me many logos. Select one of them and you can also customize it. When you done your customization, click on get your logo. Click on download your logo. You can see the logo is downloaded. Open the image. You can also get your logo with black background or with white background or with no background. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel.